In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Prius key fob to change the internal battery at home. Don't worry, this is a very easy process, but you will need one of these CR2032 batteries. Now, if you don't know where to get one of those, or you'd just like to pick one up online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can get one of those on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And again, that link will be for the exact battery that you need for this particular device. Now, just getting right into it, we can look on the side of the device here. You can see there's a little button that says push. I'm going to hold that down and remove this internal key. And now we will use a regular flathead screwdriver to open this up. So you can see right here, there is the keyhole. And then perpendicular to that is a little slot in the plastic. We're going to insert the flathead screwdriver into that area and just twist. Now we can pull this thing apart, set this down, carefully take out this little circuit board. You can see the battery is on the back there. And now set that down as well. And what we will be doing from here is using the same flathead screwdriver just to kind of pry the battery out. So go in between the battery and the black plastic behind it. Hold the device on the sides. You don't want to touch the circuit board too much there. And what we want to do is just carefully press in with our flathead. So kind of stick the corner of the flathead in and you'll feel it get under there. And then you can just kind of pry it out. Once again, just applying a little bit of constant pressure and you feel it slide in, and then you can just pop it up like that. This is a CR2032, just to reiterate that. Make sure you're getting a 2032 battery, and when you put your new battery in, make sure the positive side does go face up. So just go ahead and click that back in there, and you want to see that plus sign facing up. On the back of the device here, you can see there is this circle, the top circle here that has the little writing in there. What we want to do is put the battery face down on top of that circle. So set that in there. And now we can just pick up the other half and set that on top. Just click it all back together and you can put your key back in there and you are done. I hope that was a help to you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or just give this video a like so other people can see it as well. And just remember, if you ever need help changing another one of your batteries, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every make or model, and you can also visit us directly at fobbattery.com.